Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm going to be trying out the Suaoki solar lantern. I won this as part of the Mi Woodsman's subscriber giveaway. I had not even opened this box up. So here it is. Got a little thank you card. No wires or anything, so here's the solar panels. Anyone else thinking? There's a movie called Kroll. I think it's missing a few times, but it has a little hook right here. So I'm going to hang this on the ridge line of my hammock and see how she does overnight. So that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to go put this in the sun. Now it's pretty overcast right now. The weather report said it was supposed to brighten up. So we will see what happens. So that's what it looks like, compacted. So we'll put it out and see if we get any kind of charge on it. There is a USB right here. I'll do a little close-up with the other camera. And then I think there's an on-off switch. Oh yeah, so I guess it's already charged. So, oh, it's even got a flushing. That's kind of cool. So, let's get that in the sun. Let's see how she does. So that's what I meant by fairly overcast. It's pretty cloudy today. We actually had rain last night, so it's not raining now, but I'll see if that's sufficient to charge it. Alright, finally getting a little bit of sunshine. It's been sitting out basically for several hours. Yeah, it's like 6 o'clock right now, so it's been sitting out here since about 6-7 hours. We're finally getting some sunshine, and I just have it propped up with a stick to get maximum sun exposure. So, really curious to see how well it will do. I'm sure it'll be fine though. Well, I don't know how well that will show up, but that's the lowest setting on the solar lantern. You know, I'd say it's adequate enough to get ready for bed and, you know, get tucked into my hammock. You know, for a little solar light. It's on low right now, so it's got a high. It's really, you know, it's a little bit brighter, but I probably wouldn't even need it. I'm actually fine with the low. And then it has a flash, so I guess if you were going to get up in the middle of the night and go take a whiz or something, you could leave it on flash, and you know you'd have like a beacon back to your shelter. But yeah, I'm very okay with that. Actually, it's a pretty nice little light. I mean, I read some Amazon reviews. They said you couldn't read by it, but you know, big whoop. As long as I have enough light to get ready for bed, I'm not fumbling around too much, and I don't need my headlamp. I'm fine. I'm more than okay with that. So, yeah, good stuff. Okay, so final thoughts on the lantern. I liked it. A couple of minor little critiques I would make maybe is well, for one thing, on the back here, it would be nice if there was like just a little tab or something that I could like because when I go to prop this up, it'd be nice if there was something that I could prop this up with, like a little indentation or something. But the most minor of complaints, not even a really complaint, but the hook worked out really well. Comes out real easy, just, you know, Just open it up, it just, you know, it just will fall out. I will make sure next time though to hang it with some paracord a little lower than way up on the ridgeline, because as soon as I crawled into my hammock I couldn't reach, so I had to actually get up again and like stretch up to get to it. Again, minor complaint, but I liked it. I just kept it out in the sun. I don't know if I mentioned it yesterday, but there's a little spot here for a USB charger right there, so you can charge it up at home before you come out. Now I don't know if that light stays on all the time or not. It could just show that it's charged, but then if the light depletes the battery, then it's kind of a, you know. But I'm pretty happy with it, so I think it's worth the 20 bucks or so. I'll link to Amazon. If I find it on Amazon, I'll link it below for you. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.